How is it, everyone? And welcome to your first class maths tutorials. And in this tutorial, we're going to have a look at a question on the change of subject or change of formula. So the question is saying make y the subject of the formula in m is equals to square root of 1 minus y over 1 plus y. So the first thing that that must come to your mind is that a square root is simply equal to the power of half, meaning to say here on this side we've got m is equals to 1 minus y over 1 plus y to the power of half. This is the same scenario, or this is another way of writing this situation that we have here. So the first thing that we are going to do in making y subject to the formula, meaning to say we want to express y in terms of other letters that are there, which is m. So for us to do that, the first thing is to clear the power by multiplying it with a reciprocal of half, which is 2. And we're going to do this on both sides. So meaning to say on the left side, we are going to have m squared is equals to this bracket to the power of half multiplied by 2 over 1, so that we clear the power on the left side. So we are going to have m squared is equals to 1 minus y over 1 plus y after we clear the powers. And after this, we are going to do a cross multiplication, and then our cross multiplication, it is going to give us m squared will be multiplied by 1 plus y is equals to 1 minus y. And then we remove the bracket, we multiply everything within the bracket by m squared, and we are going to have m squared plus m squared y is equals to 1 minus y. And after this, we are going to group the like terms, all the terms in y, we are going to put them in one side. So we are going to have m squared y plus y is equals to, this negative y is the one which I've placed on the other side of the equal sign, and it is going to be plus y is equal to 1, the one that we have, and then m squared, we put it on this side, it is going to be minus m squared. So after this, remember we are solving for y, we are going to factor out y on these two terms, and in the bracket we are going to have m squared plus 1 is equals to 1 minus m squared. So that if we multiply y with everything that is in the bracket, we are going to go back to this expression. So after factoring out y, we are going to divide both sides by m squared plus 1 divide by m squared plus 1, so that m squared plus 1 will cancel each other, and we are going to have y is equals to 1 minus m squared over m squared plus 1. So this is how you make y subject of the formula, or this is how you express y in terms of m and the constant 1. So this is the concept of change of subject, and always remember that practice makes perfect. So these are simple concepts that you must just practice, so that you've got more exposure, and the more you expose yourself to the questions on the change of subject, the simpler it becomes. So this is how you do it. If you've got any questions, you can raise them, and we can iron out all the queries. So remember, practice makes perfect.